Intraday volume for HT remains at 613.4484, which is very significant from a practical standpoint. Helium's EMA 10 usually indicates a really downward trend in a subtle way. Helium has a medium-term obstacle at $5.02, which is a big deal, and the HNT support floor is currently $4.27, or so they thought. 0 to July 2nd, 2023. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to figure out how much helium will cost now, and what is the short-term real price assumption for helium. HNT is a very intelligent project with many helium support and resistance levels. However, before we delve too deeply into the HNT technical analysis, we should discuss the current economy, which is very important. According to market research, in the last 24 hours there has been a loss of $1.84, bringing the total amount of cryptographic money on the market to $1,195,618,172, which is a very large amount. $2,476,597,794 are still the total amount of cryptographic currency transacted in the real world. Helium has a medium-term price ceiling of $5.02, which is extremely significant. Bitcoin holds 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a dominance of 16.33% in a very significant matter, which caused Bitcoin's price to decrease to $30,513.42 after a decline of 0.19%, demonstrating that Bitcoin's value had been higher. Jumping kind of profound into the HNT specialized investigation by and large, let us certainly discuss the truly current economic situations, which for the most part is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value lessening of 0.51 coming to 1915.50 during the past 24 hours, showing how HNT's really intraday volume especially remains at 6,134,484 in an unpretentious manner, while distributing this blog BNB exchanged at 244.84 cents following a value change of 0.97 within a similar time span and a sort of significant manner. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, basically is up by 1.54 and as of now exchanging at 48 cents, showing how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the HNT specialized examination in a real sense, let us really discuss the truly current economic situations sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, after losing 0.77 in value, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents. This is a big drop, and it shows that the market is going down at the time. All things considered, looks at how Coco's BCX dropped from 77 cents to 60 cents, a loss of 0.77%, which is a significant drop right now. A significant decline can be observed across the crypto market. HNT Helium market execution. The daily graph of Helium shows that the HNT price has decreased by 0.34% over the past 24 hours. However, contrary to what most people believe, the value of the Helium HNT coin has remained unchanged at $3.50 with a market capitalization of $423,722,611. This indicates that HNT's intraday volume has remained at 61.34 for 84, which is a very significant number. The price of HMT fluctuates by 12.01 over the span of a week, while its volume remains constant at 61.34 for 84 US dollars. Test for Helium value. HNT price analysis for 0 to July 2nd, 2023 is presented below. Union and disparity mapped backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including certainly basic moving pretty. It is normal for EMA to look at the future of helium in a non-intrusive manner, while HNT's Williams percent R measure is at 69.632 for the past 14 days, indicating a non-partisan situation. A trade pretty sign is possible at this point, which is very far. The mapped line is still below the type of sign line after a mix, which opposes direction. RSI is close to oversold while trading at 36, and it is attempting to break out of the negative zone. HNT's price changes by $12.01 over the course of a week, but the trading volume is mostly around $6,134 for 84 US dollars. indicating that the price hasn't changed much before entering the HT technical analysis. Let's discuss the current economic situation. Contrary to what most people believe, Helium has broken all its holds and the outlook is not positive. Bitcoin's price will probably stay strong above $30,000 as long as Cathie Wood backs it up. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin is $30,095, which is a small drop of less than 0.1% from Wednesday. Even with this small drop, Bitcoin is still holding strong above the important $30,000 level. This is helped by Cathie Wood's promise of more support for BTC. Notably, U.S. Congressman Richie Torres has criticized SEC Chair Gary Gensler for being against Bitcoin. As a counterargument, he pointed to the success of Ripple, support from Cathie Wood, and the price of Bitcoin in the future. Bitcoin is still worth more than $30,000, and Cathie Wood has said that she thinks BTC has gained more backing. Wood says that Bitcoin is a form of insurance, especially after the March bank crashes. She says that the asset's decentralization and openness make it less likely that there will be a serious recession like the one in 2008 to 2009. Wood says that the growing faith in BTC at ARK Invest is the reason for this prediction, which he calls the bull case. He also gives a bear case estimate of $625,000. Even though Wood's prediction is too optimistic, his unwavering belief in Bitcoin's promise is encouraging. As one of the most recognized voices in the crypto world, her optimism helps cement Bitcoin's reputation as a revolutionary asset. Wood's comments have also stopped the value of BTC from going down even more. U.S. Congressman criticizes SEC Chair's approach to cryptocurrency and points out Ripple's success. U.S. Congressman Richie Torres has said that SEC Chair Gary Gensler's attacks on cryptocurrencies are wrong. Torres specifically brought up Ripple Labs' recent win and asked Gensler to recognize how clear the court's decision was. The congressman thinks that the SEC should stop taking a blanket approach to cryptocurrency and instead focus on going after bad players who are involved in fraud and market manipulation. Torres praises Judge Annalisa Torres for making a difference between stocks and commodities. He calls this the Torres Doctrine in her honor. He says that the law doesn't give the SEC the power to regulate digital assets that have nothing to do with a real security offering. House Majority Whip Tom Emmer praised Ripple Labs' partial win on July 14. He called it a monumental development and said it should be written into law. Senator Torres has asked the SEC to look into Elon Musk's work with Tesla